So here class 10th arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. The first main question is find the sum of the following APs. So sum of the APs, sum means SN or S. So here the first question is 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. So up to 10 terms, sum up to 10 terms. Here first term is 2 and common difference is 7 minus 2 is 5 and up to n terms, here up to 10 terms, n is 10. So formula we know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, here n is up to 10 terms. So n is 10 by 2. 2 into SA is 2 plus of n is 10 minus 1, d is 5. Okay, so here 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, this is 5, 2 2 ja 4 plus of 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 5. So 5 into bracket 9 5 ja 45. 4 plus 45. So this is equals to 5 into 45 plus 4 equals to 49. So here 49 5 ja 245. This is the sum of the 10 terms of given AP. Second question is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. So first term is A minus 37, common difference D is A2 minus A1, A2 is minus 33 minus A1 is minus 37. So this is equals to minus 33 minus into minus plus 37. 37 minus 33 is 4. So n number of terms are 12. So formula Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, n is up to 12 terms. N by 2, that is 12 by 2 into 2 into a is minus 37 plus of n is 12 minus 1, d is 4. Yes, here 2 1 ja 2 6. So this is 6 into 37 2 ja minus 74 plus of 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. So here this is 6 into minus 74 plus of 11 4 ja 44. Yes, here this is equals to 6 into bracket of minus 74 plus 44 is, the both have opposite signs, then subtract 74 minus 44 is 30. Yes, the highest number is 74, that's why this is minus 30. Yes, it is equals to 6 minus 30 is a minus 180. This is the sum of the first 12 terms of the given AP, that is S12. Third question is, in this, the first term is 0.6. The common difference D is 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. And the number of terms n is total 100 terms. So formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. So here S total 100 terms, n is 100 divided by 2 into bracket of 2 into a is 0.6 plus of n is 100 minus 1, d is 1.1. So here 1 ja, this is 50 ja, 50 into bracket of, yes we know 6 2 ja 12, that is we have point after 1 decimal, so this is 1.2 plus of 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. So here this is equals to 50 into 1.2 plus of So on multiplying 99 into 1.1 we get 108.9. So now this is equals to 50 into, on adding these two we will have 110.1. So now multiply to 50, this is equals to 5505. So this is the sum of the first 100 terms of the given AP. Fourth question is, A is 1 by 15. The common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 equals to, here the LCM is 60, that is 12 5 ja 15 4 ja. Yes, 5 1 ja 5 minus 1 4 ja 4. The LCM is 60. It is equals to 5 minus 4 is 1 by 60. So number of terms n is 11 terms. Yes. So here then Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. So total here 11 terms. So n is 11 by 2 into bracket of 2 into a is 1 by 50 plus of n is 11 minus 1, d is 1 by 60. Yes, on solving this one, 11 by 2 into bracket of 2 1 ja 2 by 50 plus of 11 minus 1 is 10 by 60. Yes, here 0 0 get cancelled. Yes, we have 11 by 2 into bracket of 2 by 15 plus of 1 by 6. Yes, here we have 1 by 6 and 2 by 15. 15 and 6. The LCM is 30. Yes, 15 2 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30. Yes, here on solving this one, 11 by 2 into bracket of 2 2 ja 4 divided by plus of, yes, 1 5 ja 5 divided by the LCM is 30. Yes, here we have 11 by 2 into bracket of 9 by 30. So here 3 3 ja, this is 3 10 ja. Okay. So 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. So this is equals to 11 3 ja 33, 2 10 ja 20. This is the sum of the first 11 terms of the given AP.